Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Mini Ovni Volador is probably one of the most fascinating and innovative gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of entertainment and technological marvel that has captured the imagination of enthusiasts worldwide, making it a must-have for anyone looking to experience the cutting edge of personal aerial devices. Number 5. OontZ Angle 3, 4th Gen, Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Experience superior audio with crystal clear stereo sound, accurate mids, and clear highs. Its unique design and enhanced bass radiator deliver exceptional sound quality that stands out. Enjoy music at higher volumes without distortion. This powerful speaker is perfect for any room or outdoor setting, providing an impressively loud audio experience. Stay connected from up to 100 feet away with its advanced antenna design. It offers a faster Bluetooth connection and pairs easily with all your devices. Take it anywhere without worry. It's designed to be splash-proof and rainproof, making it ideal for use in the shower or outdoors. Keep the music playing all day with up to 24 hours of playtime. It also features an AUX jack for non-Bluetooth devices and a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. What we like. Experience crystal clear stereo sound with enhanced bass. Enjoy an incredible 100-foot wireless range for uninterrupted listening. If you're looking for a speaker that offers great sound quality and extended range for your outdoor gatherings or home use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. I am still amazed at the sound that comes from this compact speaker. The OontZ Angle 3 sounds great. The clarity, fidelity of sound was amazing. Number 4. Tribit XSound Go Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Get ready for an immersive listening experience. With crystal clear highs, rich bass, and powerful drivers, it delivers shocking sound without distortion, even at maximum volume. Enjoy the freedom of wireless audio with advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology. It connects effortlessly to your devices up to 150 feet away, and you can even access your voice assistant with a simple press. Keep the party going with an incredible 24 hours of continuous playtime. This portable speaker ensures your music pumps all day and all night long on a single charge. This speaker is as stylish as it is functional. Its compact design with curved edges and a matte finish maximizes portability, making it easy to take anywhere. Don't let water stop the fun. This IPX7 waterproof speaker is perfect for pool parties, beach days, or even singing in the shower. It's built for all your year-round adventures. What we like. This portable speaker delivers loud, immersive sound with rich bass and custom EQ options. Its IPX7 waterproof rating makes it perfect for any adventure, from pool parties to beach days. If you need a durable, all-day listening companion that can handle the elements, this is the one. What people say. The speaker on the dot is okay, but it's not good enough to use when we have people over, while we're outside playing, or while we're swimming. This little speaker is amazing. It charges quickly, the charge lasts through all-day use and it is loud. And loud in a good way. We listen to all types of music, rock, rap, R&B, country, pretty much anything, and the sound quality is spot on, no matter what type of music we're listening to. It never lost the signal from my phone, and at about a little over half the volume it was loud enough to be heard over the kids, and I have a 3-year-old and an 11-year-old that don't believe in talking, they prefer yelling. The pool filter running and an attachment we have for the pool that turns the clean water from the filter into a fountain that gets pretty noisy. We were in the pool for about 2 hours and the speaker got pretty wet from all the splashing, though it never got totally soaked or submerged, and it's still working like it was brand new. The sound is clear, the bass is better than I expected for the size, and the battery lasts up to 24 hours on medium volume. It's small, easy to carry around and works great indoors or outside. Number 3. AMERFIST 2025 Flying Orb Ball Toy. Introducing the AMERFIST 2025 Flying Orb Ball Toy, a high-tech, hand-controlled drone toy with dazzling RGB lights. Experience intelligent flight with unique boomerang effects and create your own playing styles. Its different throwing angles and speeds create varied flight paths and boomerang effects. Unleash your creativity to discover unique ways to play with this amazing gadget. This hover ball is built with soft yet durable, drop-resistant materials. It's lightweight and flexible, designed to stop automatically upon impact, ensuring safety around furniture and other objects. Get a full charge in just 20 minutes for 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. It supports convenient USB charging from various sources like computers, power adapters, and portable chargers. This flying orb ball is an ideal novelty gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. It's a fantastic choice for kids, teens, and adults seeking a fun and engaging toy. Enjoy uninterrupted fun with its rechargeable battery and versatile charging options. The colorful LED lights make it even more captivating, especially at night. What we like. Unleash your creativity with this high-tech, hand-controlled flying orb. Its cool RGB lights and unique boomerang effect offer endless fun. If you're searching for a unique toy that combines technology with active play for kids aged 6 and up, this is an excellent gift option. What people say. Super fun hover ball that spins, floats, and curves through the air. Great for kids and teens who love fidget toys. One of the things I liked most is its durable design. Even though it has been dropped several times, it continues to work perfectly. Plus, it is lightweight, safe, and poses no danger, which is ideal if you have children at home. The LED lights add a spectacular touch, especially at night, making the experience even more fun. Really fun once you get the throwing angles down. The boomerang and straight hover tosses are easy. It's pretty durable after a few crashes, and it even has a small fan inside. It comes with a USB-C cable. Number 2. Ivtivfu Flying Orb Ball, Blue, 2025 Upgraded. Discover the magic of this incredible flying orb. It offers so many ways to play, letting you explore its amazing movements through the air with every toss. Gather your friends and family for exciting games with this hovering spinner. It's perfect for ages 6 and up, encouraging active play and laughter together. This toy is made from durable, lightweight materials with a protective enclosure. It's designed to withstand playtime and automatically stops on impact, ensuring safe and continuous fun. Take the fun with you wherever you go. It's easily rechargeable and portable, fitting into a backpack for indoor or outdoor adventures at home, the park, or the yard. Looking for a cool gift for kids aged 6 to 12? This dazzling orb is a fantastic surprise for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, bringing joy and excitement to children. What we like. Discover multiple ways to play with this upgraded flying orb, featuring dazzling lights and a magic hover function. It's designed for interactive family fun and is durable enough for repeated use. If you want a toy that encourages exploration and group activities for kids aged 6 to 10, this offers great value. What people say. The Mini Ovni Volador is a fantastic toy that is easy to fly and provides hours of entertainment. Its durable design can withstand minor crashes, making it a great choice for kids. The LED lights add a fun visual element, especially when flying in low light conditions. Number 1. Force 1 Scoot LED Hand-Operated Drone. Introducing the ultra-bright version of our popular drone. With vibrant red and blue LEDs, it lights up the sky with every exciting flight. Experience incredible fun. Simply swipe your hand underneath when the lights blink, and watch it perform an amazing 360 degrees flip. It's easy and perfect for beginners. This indoor drone is designed for effortless flight. Its powerful motors and smart motion sensors allow it to fly in all directions, guided by your hand. Fly with confidence. Its durable, webbed shell design protects both the drone and your surroundings, ensuring safe indoor fun for everyone. This US-certified STEM toy is ready for adventure. It offers 8 minutes of flight time on a quick 50-minute charge, providing endless entertainment. What we like. This hand-operated drone offers an exciting indoor flying experience with its 360 degrees flip capability and smart motion sensors. Its durable, kid-safe webbed shell design ensures safety for both the user and the surroundings. If you're looking for an easy-to-fly, engaging toy for kids or beginners that provides immediate fun, this is a top pick. What people say. The sensors work about 75% of the time, so it moves away from objects. It is a lot of fun for kids and adults. It's a very fun outdoor and indoor toy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.